Respected teachers, honorable judge, and my dear friends, good afternoon. This is Shahin Ahmed in front of you. I am from Norsindi. Today I feel proud to speak about something that inspires everyone. Now I would like to say something about motivation. Motivation is the fuel that drives our dreams. Without it, even the best plan fail. But with it, even the impossible things possible. Let me give you some real example. Do you know APJ Abdul Kalam? He is known as the missile man of India. Came from a poor family, and he sold newspaper as a child, but he had a dream to serve the nation. So he worked hard, and he became a great scientist and the president of India. And another one, do you know Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba? He was from rejected Harvard 10 times, and he failed in many jobs, but he believed in himself. Today, he is one of the most successful venture creator in the world. Friends, motivation is not just in a name. Look around. A farmer getting up early, a mother sacrificing for her child, and a student studying under a street light. They all are living example for motivation. Work hard and stay positive. Remember, your present situation is not your final destination. The best is yet to come. Look at me. I am 35 years old, and I have accepted. I know IELTS is very difficult, but I have accepted the challenge, and that's why I'm here. I'm working hard, and the rest is up to Allah's will. In my conclusion, I would like to say, so stand up, chase your dreams, and be the reason someone else get inspired. Thank you all. Thank you very much.